In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to prevent Google Slides from moving to the next slide. This is a handy feature when you want to keep your audience's focus on a particular slide for a longer period. Let's dive in and see how you can easily set this up in a few simple steps. First, you're going to need to navigate over to Google Slides. If you're not there already, simply open your web browser and go to the Google Slides website. Once you're there, sign into your Google account if you haven't done so yet. Signing in will give you access to your presentations and allow you to make the necessary changes. Now that you're signed in, head over to the Google Slides home. Here you should see a list of your existing presentations and you have the option to start a new one. If you're planning on creating a new presentation, you can either click on the blank button to start from scratch or choose one of the available templates. Using a template can give you a more polished look quickly, but a blank presentation allows more customization. Next, after you've opened your presentation, select the slide you want to focus on. This could be any slide you feel needs extra emphasis or should remain on screen longer during your presentation. Simply left click on the slide in the thumbnails on the left side of your screen to highlight it. Once you have your chosen slide highlighted, right click on it. A context menu will pop up offering various options. What you're looking for here is an option titled Skip Slide. By selecting this, you are telling Google Slides not to automatically move to the next slide during playback. It's important to note that this will affect the presentation only in play mode, meaning when you're actively presenting or viewing the slideshow. This action effectively keeps your current slide in place until you decide to manually move forward, allowing you to have full control over your presentation's flow. This is particularly useful if you want to pause for emphasis, maybe to engage your audience with questions or additional explanation without the distraction of an automatic slide change. Remember, you can always reverse this by simply unchecking the skip slide option if you change your mind later. This flexibility helps you customize your presentation experience based on the current setting and audience needs. And there you have it, a quick walkthrough on how to keep your Google Slides presentations firmly in your control. Feel free to repeat these steps anytime you need to adjust your presentation flow. Thanks for watching, and I hope this makes your next presentation a smoother experience.